A gentle touch in all the right places may help drain your sinuses. If you're prone to sinus congestion, you know the feeling all too well. Puffy eyes, stuffed up nose, pressure that makes your whole face hurt. Maybe it's allergies, or a cold, or the phase of the moon. Or whatever, no matter the reason, you probably want to be rid of that sinus pressure fast. You know that things like neti parts, antihistamines, warm compressors and sleeping with a humidifier can help. A cool washcloth or refrigerated ice pack might do the trick, too. And if it's a bacterial sinus infection, a round of antibiotics may be needed. But here is one you might not have tried: sinus massage. Now, before your imagination runs wild, no, we're not talking about massaging the inside of your sinuses, no instruments up the nose here. Rather, we're talking about applying some light pressure to certain regions of your face to help promote drainage. Inflammation in your sinuses leads to a buildup of fluid that causes puffiness and pressure, explains massage therapist Vicky Bodner, LMT. Some targeted massage techniques may help to relieve some of that congestion and promote fluid drainage. Bodner walks us through a step-by-step sinus self-massage that may help you breathe a little easier. Why try sinus massage? Your sinuses are the 4 hollow spaces in each side of your head and face that allow air and mucus to flow. They're connected by narrow passageways. When all is well, air and mucus make their way through your sinuses and out of your nose without you ever really even thinking about it. But when your sinuses become inflamed, those passages narrow. That gums up the works, mucus gets trapped, and it becomes a chore to breathe out of your nose. The result? A pile of used tissues filling up your trash can and aches in your face and behind your eyes. Sound familiar? Although there aren't any research studies to support this practice. In Bodner's experience, massage may help to get things flowing again. How to massage your sinuses? You have 4 sinus cavities each side in your face. The 2 largest are the frontal and maxillary sinuses. Your frontal sinuses are located in the bottom part of your forehead. They're right around the innermost parts of each of your eyebrows. Your maxillary sinuses are just under your eyes, behind your cheekbones on each side of your face. To get sinus relief from massage, you'll want to target any areas where you feel sinus discomfort, whether in your forehead, cheeks or both, Bodner says. Remember, though, that you'll want to use a very light touch with any sinus massage. You don't want to add extra pressure to those inflamed sinus cavities. Going too hard on those sinuses can lead to lightheadedness, dizziness, or even vertigo. So, take it easy. 1. Frontal sinus pressure point. One place in your frontal sinuses can help get some fluids moving. It's a pressure point near the inner corners of your eyebrows where your frontal sinuses drain to your nose.